Hi guys, in this video I provide you the ultimate guide to fixing Blink local storage issues. If you want to fix your issue, you need to consider these options. First, check USB drive compatibility. Format. Ensure your USB drive is formatted correctly. Capacity. Verify it has sufficient space. Compatibility. Confirm it is compatible with the Blink sync module. The second option is to inspect hardware. Sync module, check for physical damage or loose connections. USB port. Ensure it is clean and free of obstructions. The third option is to update Blink app and firmware. App updates. Keep the Blink app on your smartphone up to date. Firmware updates. Check the firmware updates for your sync module and cameras. The fourth option is to reset sync module. Factory reset. Follow the instructions in the Blink user manual to reset your sync module. This will erase all data, so backup important clips first. The fifth option is to try a different USB drive. Test compatibility. Use a different USB drive to determine if the issue is with the drive or the sync module. The sixth option is to check network connection, internet connectivity. Ensure your sync module has a strong and stable internet connection. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.